Okay guys, this is number 5 on your area of problem. So the length of a rectangular garden is 4 meters more than its width. So the length, right, is width plus 4, okay? The area of the rectangle is 60 meters, so A equals 60. Find the dimensions of the garden, okay? So we know the area, right? Area equals length times width. We know what the length is, we know what the width is. So we can do, or we know what the area is, so we can do length, which is W plus 4, length times width, W, equals 60, okay? And now we're just going to solve this. So we're going to distribute here, W squared plus 4W equals 60. I want to subtract the 60 over, and then you get myself some more room. You get W squared plus 4W minus 60 equals 0. Okay, then we're just going to solve by factoring, right? So we're looking for something that multiplies to get negative 60, adds to equal 4. I did that backwards. Sorry. Multiplies to equal negative 60, adds to equal 4. Okay? And our answers there are negative 6 and 10. Okay, negative 6 and 10. And you can work on that if you don't know how to get that, practice it, okay? So then you get W minus 6 times W plus 10 equals 0. If you solve for W, you get W minus 6 equals 0, and then W plus 10 equals 0. So we get W equals either negative 10 or 6. And what makes sense for us in this case? We have to have positive dimensions. So W, I'm going to write it over here, equals 6. And it asks for the dimensions of the rectangle. So if W equals 6, then L equals 10. And you can find that by just plugging back in to this original equation over here. Okay? So that's how you do this problem. If you're confused on the factoring, the setup, figure out what you're confused on, and come ready to ask questions tomorrow.